Okay, let's talk about millimeter transmitters and how to add them. All right, so underneath control, you go to millimeter transmitters. Okay, so I need to add a transmitter. The transmitter I'm going to add is number 58. That's 1258 or something like that, but we're just going to use the last two digits of the serial number. Now we got to dictate what type it is. The millimeter transmitters we run are LZT5s. Now you got to determine the channel that you're going to run it on. Right now, the one that is set out there is on channel 4. There's 4 channels. You see that? I have it set to 4. And then you have to tell it what control point you're going to set it on. We're going to pretend that we're setting it on 36. Okay, and then the height. This is the height from the control point to the base. We'll change it to the base of the receiver. If you're using a fixed height tripod, it will be written on the tripod. Usually we put it at full sight, which is 2 meters or 6.56 feet. Okay, so that's initially putting the receiver in the system. Okay, so now I have the serial number with what channel it's on. Now we have to download the firmware from the receiver in order to get it into the data collector. So I'm going to hit download. Okay, and you can see it shows LZT5LR1258. That is the one we need. If for some reason it's not hitting, just refresh. It'll populate all the Bluetooth devices in the area. I'm going to show you. Okay, so see, it didn't show up. I'm going to hit refresh again. Sometimes it takes 3 or 4 times. But there it is, just populated. See? So now, I like to wait till it's done thinking. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit connect. So now it's downloading the data. It has the firmware. Not worried about this adjusted. We do that when we're on a job site and we need to do a field calibration. Now the unit is in. It is selectable. I like to go to channels and just double check. I know it shows them. They're both on the same control point, but this is just demonstration purposes.